Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins easy. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Grab a large bowl and combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with ½ a cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and ½ a teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Give everything a good whisk to ensure all the dry ingredients are evenly distributed. This simple step sets the foundation for perfectly risen, delicious muffins every time. Now let's prepare our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Whisk together 1 large egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Once smooth, pour this wet mixture directly into your bowl of dry ingredients. Remember, the key here is to mix gently until everything is just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. It's time to get these delicious muffins baking. Line a 12-cup muffin pan with paper liners, then fill each one about 2/3 full with your batter. Pop the pan into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For an extra treat, consider adding ½ a cup of your favorite mix-ins, like fresh berries or chocolate chips, to the batter before baking. Once your muffins are completely cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them fresh. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful snack. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including a fantastic car air freshener. Enjoy your homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.